At this time, Mars is actually pulling Curiosity in. We're speeding up. We should be traveling around 5.4 kilometers per second on our way to about 5.9.
Per second.
So Rob, what are your thoughts at this point?
Well, we're waiting.
This is the
On Mars, Curiosity would land it right now.
we're getting the top of the atmosphere. The great thing is
We
the
hope.
propulsion system has shown to work in returning the vehicle. It looks like the vehicle is going to be doing its entry job very well. I'm very excited about that. Everything is going very well. So make sure everyone keeps their eyes on the television because we might actually get some pictures if all goes well. And we might be monkey and covered with dust when we first landed it, but we might get some pictures today.
Wow, at landing.
Just a few minutes after landing.
Excellent. Okay, we're standing by.
Thank you.
Pictures.
In our time,
We're going to entry. We're taking to wait for entry interface. Spacecraft is continuing.
That's excellent. The radar shows that the best guess of our landing target location is about 232 meters from the landing target. So looking good so far. We're continuing to receive heartbeat tones. Everything looks good. We're about 90 seconds from entry.
Go ahead, Ben.
That last solution was with 227
The vehicle will switch antennas shortly. We'll have a short dropout when that occurs in the tones. Switching to a tilted antenna that will be used through entry.
Come up on entry. What's back? 2 to 3 second outage. And then say once you switch from the ELG to the TLG.
We just saw the signal drop in case we change antennas.
We're seeing our tones again after the switch. Things are looking good. Good put it back again. Coming up on here. Vehicle force entry interface. At this time, begin pressurizing the propulsion system to increase the thrust of the system. We use that for remote maneuvering in the atmosphere. We're about to do.
Back target tones.
We're just standing by for guidance start guided entry.
the engine atmosphere in the upper.
We're beginning to feel the atmosphere as we go in here. The vehicle just reported via phone that it has started guided entry. At this time, the meeting is through its waiting target. Starting its first bank person.
So they're seeing, among other things, they're seeing in the Doppler data it's slowing down the spacecraft.
The first man
Going through the
peak acceleration. We have peak heating and peak acceleration. It's reporting that we are seeing G's on the order of 11 to 12 Gs.
Flight GDSA.
GDSA flight go.
We are processing data from Honesty.
Thanks.
Standby flight. We have a connection, but we actually do not have any data yet.
Copy. We can expect some intermittent contact at this time as the signal gets increased to expect more.
We have lots of GPS.
Okay, copy.
And visualization is updating event you're heading climate. There it goes! Flying down range and just heading directly to the target. We are, that things look pretty good at the end of range control. We have control via merge a lot of the errors. We should be heading for the target. Vehicle reporting heartbeat once again, indicating that everything is fine. We're in heading alignment. We are standing by for straight up at parallel deployment. Vehicle continues to accelerate down to about Mach 2. As a reminder, we should have parachute deploy around Mach 1.7. We're at 15 Mach something.
We've begun entry bound mass checks and predicted mid downrange is 1.597 kilometers.
Parachute.
lock, autonomy systems, media lock.
Parachute deploy. Parachute.
Back again with Bristol Dynamics.
Visual separated or counter. Director of communication at this time, we may have lost her. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude 4 kilometers descending.
So they're slowing and slowing, that's good.
We've lost on Earth at this time, as expected. We're continuing on out of the country.
So as expected, the Earth is set.
Ground dilution equal minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 8.
We are finding 8 meters of light start enabled standing by conventional separation.
Single velocity is still strong.
Got radar establishing altitude for the spacecraft.
We are in higher flight. About 70 meters per second.
Single velocity holding
We're
air
down to 50 meters per second. 500 meters in altitude.
So they're doing the power descent now.
Stand by contact.
Constant velocity accordion nominal, altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for skycraft. Down to 10 meters per second. 40 meters altitude.
40 meters.
Skycraft started.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yeah, you know, long configured.
stable.
You're stable.